Golf Uniform, appreciate it. You can rejoin the shoreline at your discretion.
Golf Uniform, thanks for the help.
First available left turn, join Bravo, ground point 4, no delay exiting.
Alright, left turn, and join Bravo, ground point 4 is open, 20. And left 679, left 2 right.
Yeah, left 674, left tower, runway 28 right, quarter line.
2 right, clear to lane, left 679.
Southwest 629, RNAV to C's, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV C's, 28 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 629.
Captain 2 Golf Uniform, you can contact Pompano on 125.4. Have a great flight.
125.4 next, thanks for help.
JetBlue 1510, right on to Juliet, hold short of Quebec, ground 21-4.
Hey, Juliet, hold short of Quebec, ground point 4, JetBlue 1510. Clear 25. It's fast 1500 for 5,000. JetBlue 2590.
Spirit 381, full tower, thanks. Runway 28 left, clear land, traffic will be in position.
Way 13, 4 left tower, if clear land, runway 28 right, traffic holds in position.
Yes, sir, you did. Zero, expecting to land, JetBlue 13.
One contact, right approach, have a good day.
Good day, Spirit 401.
Spirit wings 335, full tower, hold short of Juliet number 11.
Hold short of Juliet 11.